Spend your life in training for a day that never comes. Cut down in your prime, most of your life still left undone. The road we traveled down, it feels so empty now you're gone. Unwise God left us without you. Face possessed of mischief, hidden smiles about to flow. Your laughing was infectious, everyone you met said so. The world you leave behind, it loses color, now you're gone. Unwise God left us without you. Without you. Hold tight to our memories, we refuse to let you go. The grief it builds in waves as it strikes a crippling blow. Struggle to get up again, to face the fact you're gone. Unwise God left us without you. Must be an explanation our minds can't quite comprehend. A reason to continue, to persist until the end. You've been an inspiration, even more so now you're gone. Is that why God left us without you? An inspiration, even more so now you're gone. Is that why God left us without you? Without you. Without you, your sister, brother. Without